You're working long shifts, handling back-to-back patients, and wondering, can I retire early and still enjoy a decent pension? Well, let's break it down. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Made Simple, where we simplify complex topics like pensions, finance, and retirement. Today we're diving into NHS pension early retirement, how it works, the pros and cons, and what you need to know before making the big decision. Let's get started. 1. Can you retire early on the NHS pension? Yes, you can take your NHS pension before your normal pension age, NPA, but there's a catch. Your benefits might be reduced. NHS pensions come in different schemes. The 1995, 2008, and 2015 schemes, each with its own rules. 1995 scheme, earliest retirement at age 50, if you joined before April 2006, or 55, otherwise. 2008 scheme, you can retire from age 55 but will get reduced benefits. 2015 scheme, the minimum age is 55 but full benefits come at state pension age, 66-68. 2. What happens if you retire early? If you retire before your NPA, your pension is actuarially reduced. Basically, you get less because you're claiming it for longer. Here's how it works. Reduction factors. The earlier you retire, the bigger the reduction. For example, retiring 5 years early, you might lose 20-25% of your pension. Retiring 10 years early, that could be a 40% cut or more. Example, imagine you're entitled to £20,000 per year at NPA, but you retire 5 years early. You might only receive £15,000 per year instead. Over 20 plus years, that's a big difference. 3. What about the NHS pension? Early Retirement Reduction Buyout, ERRBO. If you're in the 2015 scheme, you can use an Early Retirement Reduction Buyout, ERRBO, to reduce or avoid pension reductions. You pay extra contributions to retire up to 3 years early without a huge penalty. Sounds good, right? But you must apply within your first year of joining the 2015 scheme. It costs more in the short term. It doesn't apply if you leave the NHS before retirement. 4. Alternative early retirement options. Not sure about full retirement? Here are other ways to ease into it. Drawdown, partial retirement. You can reduce hours, take part of your pension, and keep earning. Pension recycling. Take your pension, but work part-time in another role. Ill health retirement. If you're unwell, you might qualify for early retirement on medical grounds without reductions. 5. Should you retire early? Before making the leap, ask yourself, can you afford a reduced pension for 20 plus years? Do you have other savings or investments? Will you still have access to NHS benefits like death in service cover? Early retirement sounds amazing, but it requires planning. Speak to an NHS pension advisor or use the NHS pension calculator to see your actual figures. So, should you take your NHS pension early? The answer depends on your situation, financial needs, health, and future goals. The key is planning ahead. Let me know in the comments, are you considering early retirement or do you plan to work until full pension age? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart financial tips. See you next time.